All right, you all sort of talked about the importance of establishing routines and behaviors. Talk to us about why that's necessary in having a successful classroom.
I guess I'll start. And I have a bunch of different disabilities in my class, ranging from developmental delay to autistic and with routines, if you mess up their routine, it kind of throws them off all day. But having a routine lets them know this was coming next, this is what I gotta look forward to. They don't have to question it. And so say if I'm out one day, the kids can kind of help the sub know, okay, X, Y, and Z is coming next. We can't do this first. It has to be like this. So it kind of helps, the day go by smoother. And then after you get a couple days going smooth, and you have months going smoother, then you have a successful school year because the kids know the routine, you know the routine, and if somebody different comes in, the kids can show them the routine.
Okay. All right.
Along with that, although I don't have any disabilities in my classroom, just in a regular ed classroom, students like to have that routine as well. So every morning they know they come in, they get a browsing box, they start reading, we're going to get into math, we have to work together in a whole group, and right before I even have to give directions, they know after that it's break to station. So I don't have to waste time in my day explaining what we're going to do next. They already know a routine. And when they have that set routine, there's not as much downtime, and the downtime and transitions is really where you're going to see behavior issues. And so if you have that set routine, it really cuts back on those behavior issues, and it just gives you more time to work with the kids.
Is Miss Chris up in here? Miss Chris, they called you to the front office. Thanks, babe.